How to apply for projects and send proposals on Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, use the search bar to find projects that match your skills. Browse through the listing and identify projects that interest you. After finding a suitable project, click on it to view all the details. Carefully review the project description, client requirements, and deadline to ensure it aligns with your skill and availability. Next, click on Send Proposal. Write a clear and professional proposal. Start by addressing the client politely and explain why you are the best for the job. Highlight your relevant experience, skills, and achievements. Include examples from your portfolio or previous work to strengthen your proposal. You will also see a proposal breakdown box where you can clearly outline your deliverables and timeline. Set your rate and estimated timeline according to the project requirement. Double-check your proposal for clarity and professionalism, then click the Send button. Once submitted, monitor your dashboard for client responses or messages. Now you know how to apply for projects and send proposals on Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.